Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have your mic. Now plug it in and set it as the default device. Open Dandy's World and sign in with your account, then head straight to the lobby or party panel. Once there, tap the voice chat icon and choose a channel, global, party, or direct, so you know who can hear you. This first step gets you into the voice system fast. It also ensures permissions prompt will appear, so accept the microphone request when the game asks. Once connected, you must configure settings so voice is clear and controlled. Open audio settings and adjust input and output volumes, then run the mic tester to watch levels. Lower gain if you clip. Next, choose push to talk or open mic. Push to talk reduces background noise. Assign a shortcut if needed. Finally, set channel privacy to friends only, party, or public so you control who can speak with you. These steps join a party or channel and start speaking. Remember to mute when you are idle, and use push to talk if you prefer control. Use the in-game overlay to view participants and adjust per user volume. This helps when one player is too loud or quiet. If voice fails, check OS microphone permissions, confirm the game has access, restart the app, and reselect your mic device in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the headset or USB dongle. That often fixes routing and driver glitches fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.